Hello everybody, when I am here again, I'm Romina Massa. This time we are going to swap doll of a kind eyes into an American Girl doll. On this occasion I choose Turquoise, which is so beautiful. I don't know if you can see it. So beautiful. So let me show you and explain something about what is the difference between doll of a kind eyes between American Girl dolls eyes. These are smooth fit, so if you can see, they are thinner and the case of the whole eyes is smaller. So this is one of the reasons that it is easier to swap the eyes, to put the eyes on the doll and to take it off the doll, because they are smooth fit, so you are not going to be or to pass a hard time during this process. So let me show you. I don't know if you can see the difference. Here I have an American doll eyes. You can see the difference. The difference is only in the case, see, the outside part of the eye, but the inside part is the same measure. But if you can see, the problem is that this one is wider, okay? So, first of all, I want to share with you guys what you are going to need. A glove, because the head is going to be very hot. A gun spoon, this toothpick, which is a very practical tool to position the eyes after you put it on the doll in the correct place. You can, I bought this on Amazon. This is a travel size, and of course the two eyes. So what I do always is hit the doll head during at least 5 minutes. And what I do is I put the head in a towel, but inside a container. Why? The reason I do this is because it's not only question of hit the doll from inside, but also from the outside part, where are the eyes, because the vinyl has to be soft. So right now I'm going to pour the water of the head. Be careful, because at this moment the head is gonna be very hot, and we are going to do the first one eye and the other one. Sometimes slippery, the other one. As you can see, the back is intact. It doesn't deform. This is very important. So right now I'm going to put the first eye. Can you see that you have to press the ears between, because the vinyl is very soft at this moment. And in only one step you can put both eyes. This is very important, because now I'm going to position the eyes with this tool. It's the perfect time to put the eyes in the correct position. And I think, let me check if they are, it is too easy to position this eye, because it's, so here is she. Well guys, As you can see, in just only one step, in one hit, you can take off the old eyes and put the new ones. And very important, the eyes that I take out of the doll never change the back of the eyes. You can see it doesn't deform. So if you like this video, please subscribe, and you can follow me also on Instagram at doll.of.a.kind or Facebook. Well guys, thank you, and we see you the next time. Bye.